In this video, I want to show you how you can make money with your voice. Hi, I'm Lopez, coming at you from LopezTheSame.com. And there's a lot of companies out here, there's a lot of people out here as well that need help in almost every facet of business and probably every facet of our lives at this point. And making money with speaking, making money with your voice, to be specific, is probably one of the most lucrative and upcoming ways to do that. Now, there's a lot of, if you're a book reader like I am, there's a lot of people don't actually like to read books. They like to listen to books on Audible, and there's a lot of other companies that's similar to Audible out here as well. But if you've been listening to books on Audible, sometimes it's not the author that wrote the book that's actually reading the book. So that's where you come in at. See, a lot of these writers and authors don't have time to read their book for Audible, or they don't want to do it. They'd rather outsource it and pay somebody to do it. So that's where you come in at. Now, there's a lot of sites out here that are looking for people to take on projects, books mainly, to make money. Now, the site that I'm about to recommend is to my knowledge, pays the most that I've ever seen. There's a site out here called findawayvoices.com. That's findawayvoices.com. And to my knowledge, they pay the most. They pay per project. So once you get done reading a book that's something like this, or maybe something like this, or maybe a book that's something like this, or it could be a book that's smaller. But I'm gonna give you an example. A book like, let's take a book like this. This book is about 100 pages, right? Something like this would cost $150 on findawayvoices.com. That's $150 minimum. That's bare minimum. That's probably the lowest you can make. Now, a book like, let's say, I'll give you an example, like this thick. This book is about, let's say 300 pages. It's a little over 300. It's almost 300 pages. You would make probably over $400 for that book, right? Now, these other websites, they're not paying that. They're not paying that. Now, I'm not saying people out there aren't making for $150, $400, $500, $600. There are people that's making that kind of money, but they're established people. They're not entry-level people that's making that type of money with these other websites and these services. Sure, there's big brands that pay people $1,000, $2,000 to read a book that's by somebody like Gary Vaynerchuk or something like that, or somebody like Tony Robbins. They get paid $1,000, $2,000 to read the entire book, but they're very established in the industry. If you're entry level, nobody knows who you are, you have no experience, you're not getting $2,000. You're not getting $1,000. But this website is paying people hundreds, thousands of dollars. I've never seen it before until now. So, hey, go to findawayvoices.com, and I'll be sure to put the link below this video as well. Check out the website. Read everything. It's pretty self-explanatory, straight to the point, no chaser, So hey, check it out and let me know what you think. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it with anybody that you think will be interested in making money with their voice. And any questions, leave your comments below. Subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'm out. Peace!